I really don't like to lose the top side control, all right? So the guy got me back in the guard. I'm gonna make him pay, all right? So here I am, side control, the guy creates space, and he gets me back in the guard. Bring your arms in, double under, the guy tries to defend, whatever you wanna do it. You kind of move your head back and forth, whatever arm you pick, okay? You're gonna start stepping that way, stay strong, and this hand pushes the leg out. Now here, look, lift your hip up, knee under, and foot under the shoulder. And therefore here, you step over. Uno más. Let's do it again. So I'm here with my partner, let's up on this side. Oh man, he's trying to get me back in the guard. Double under, head movement. Whenever he grabs you, yeah, whatever he does, oh, he gave me this arm. So I pull that arm, I start stepping out that way, push the leg far out, lift my hip up, knee goes under the armpit, and foot under the shoulder. And here, get the leg over, boom, finish the guy off.